So this is the time again. Apache Camel was created 17 years ago. So what we're gonna see is how you can run today, 17 years later. One of the original examples that the creator of Camel, James JBang, created in the project. So this is a Camel route in Java. It consumes messages from ActiveMQ, writes to a file, then pick up the same file again, and then does a system out print line. So this is the code I found on GitHub from Camel 1.0. I can go on a terminal and I can say camel run and then paste in the link. Now this is Camel JBang. It will then download the source from GitHub, run it up, and you can see here's two routes it started. Now this one actually requires active message broker running, so I have already started ActiveMQ. However, we do have instructions in this example how we can run with the ActiveMQ embedded inside Camel, so you don't have to run a separate broker. Or you can also run the broker with a Docker, but I'm just running it here just to quickly. Then we can go into the ActiveMQ web console. Oops, that's localhost 8161. The old web broker, ActiveMQ Classic 6.1, the latest release. I can see my queues. This is the test MQ that Camel actually created on startup, and I can send a message to it. So I can say hi Klaus or hi Camel, happy 17. I sent. That's been processed. You can see here it's received something, but you kind of want to see, okay, what happened. So just want to say that you can use Camel JBang. Sorry for the smaller terminal here, but the application is running. You can see also the log here using this one, but and many things like that. But I want to see Camel Trace. So we send a message to that thing, but something happened. We may not understand what's going on. So the trace is sort of like going back in time and see every step that Camel took and dumping that. So it might be a little overwhelming here what's happened. So we start from the beginning. So route 1, this is the first one. It's from the ActiveMQ test cube. We received a message with this unique ID. It's green colored. All the messages, you can see it's a GMS message. All the headers are here. And the body is a string with hello camel 17. That's what we typed in the console. Now it goes to the second, that is writing to the file test. You can see this is the writing, and now it's completed. So you have created, sending to the file, and then completed. That's exchange. The green one is now finished from Camel. Now you know that was the second route. This is the file route that is picking up that same file again. So this is another exchange with number 1, and notice the color is now yellow. Sort of the Camel is changing the colors, so it's easier to spot them more quickly. Now you can actually see this is a generic file message, and you can see all the paths and all the file headers here, and also you can see the body here. So this trace here gives you full insight to what happens inside Camel with all the headers and the bodies and what types they are and so on. So this is a really nice tool that is really handy. But there's a lot more to Camel and JBang and this tool, so I encourage you to take a look. But just wanted to say happy 17 Camel, and that this original one you can run. We put it on the Camel examples. Yeah, it's called Camel examples, but them turning into more like a JBang examples, so very easy to try different things. So Camel 1.0 is here, so you can give it a try from here with the instructions. So thank you very much.